The Pro Stat Gun is extremely easy to use, and since it was specifically designed for use in the collision repair industry, it fits right into the paint process. To begin using the Pro Stat Gun, connect the gun to your air hose. The air will flow through the gun and come out the nozzle here. Pulling the trigger will produce ionization whether the Pro Stat Gun is connected to the air hose or not. However, the ionization can't travel without air assistance. Once connected, air won't flow until the trigger is pulled, giving complete control to the painter. Next, prepare the surface of the panel using your normal refinish preparation process. Once the area is prepped, you're ready to use the Pro Stat Gun. Holding the gun at a similar distance from the panel as you would a spray gun, pull the trigger and begin passing it over the surface, ensuring you cover the entire surface all the way to the edges of the prepped panel. Pass the gun from side to side as if you were spraying. Be sure to ionize or pass the Pro Stat Gun over the entire area to ensure the static has been removed. Spend extra time around grooved or louvered areas. Once you've covered the entire surface, do not touch the surface again. If you do, you'll reintroduce a static charge. If contact is made, ensure the whole area is ionized with the Pro Stat Gun again. It's best to use the Pro Stat Gun immediately before each application of material, even primer and adhesion promoter. Also, use the Pro Stat Gun on all substrates to be painted, not just plastics. Substrates can have varying degrees of static charge. Even the same substrate will charge differently depending on various factors. Using the Pro Stat Gun ensures you have a completely neutral surface on all substrates and promotes even paint coverage. While the Pro Stat Gun is extremely easy to use, there are a few recommended best practices. First, be sure to charge the Pro Stat Gun overnight every night. This ensures that the gun is always charged and ready for use. Keep in mind, it's not possible to overcharge the batteries. Second, when ionizing, confirm that the yellow LED light is on. If the yellow light doesn't illuminate when you pull the trigger, there's a problem with the gun, and you should contact the Pro Stat technical support team. Next, always be sure to use air from a filtered line to avoid contamination being introduced through the air supply. Be sure to remove the Pro Stat Gun from the paint booth each time you have finished spraying. While it is safe to accidentally leave the gun in the booth during a bake cycle, baking the gun repeatedly will damage the unit. Also, do not let the Pro Stat Gun become excessively contaminated with overspray. This will reduce its performance. If this occurs, be sure to contact the Pro Stat technical support team for service. Most importantly, do not touch the surface to be painted after using the Pro Stat Gun. If you do, you'll reintroduce a static charge. If contact is made, be sure to use the Pro Stat Gun again, covering the entire surface. By following these steps when using and caring for your gun, you'll experience all the benefits the Pro Stat Gun offers. The same great finish, quicker with less material and less rework. By remembering these best practices, you can get the most from your Pro Stat Gun.